Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open the YouTube Android library. We start by opening Chrome and looking for the YouTube Studio website. Once we click on it, it will offer us the option to access it by installing the application or from the website. In this case, we will enter from the website starting with our Google account. Inside here, we will zoom in and go to the left side. After that, we can find the audio library icon, and by clicking on it, we will find the YouTube music library. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.